Our job for this problem is to figure out which pair of cards shows a shape and its image after a rotation. So remember, a rotation means you have turned it. So we're looking for a pair of cards where you've turned the shape. So let's first identify the pairs of cards. So 1 and 4 are made of the same shape. And then 2 and 6 are made of the same shape. And 3 and 5 are made of the same shape. So then let's go through and figure out, getting from 1 to 4, what happens, and confirming that 1 and 4 is a rotation as opposed to 2 and 6 and 3 and 5. So with 1 and 4, a rotation means that it's going to be turned in some way. I'm going to use a point of reference here. I'm going to underline the longest part of that figure. Notice the longest part of the figure is in the bottom part of the frame. And then when you go to frame 4, it's actually up and is perpendicular to the bottom part of the frame. Therefore, it's been turned, and you could be specific and say counterclockwise. But for this purpose, we know that 1 and 4 represent a rotation. Let's just make sure that that's not the case for the other pairs. So for 2 and 6, notice our figure here starts in the top left-hand corner and simply slides down to the bottom left-hand corner. So that's not a rotation. And then for 3 and 5, it kind of looks like a table. And so the foot of the table is down towards the bottom of the frame. And then in frame 5, the foot is actually on top of the base of the table. And therefore, it actually has been flipped or reflected. So the only pair that works is pair 1 and 4.